The Bundles Details tab. From the dashboard, go to Courses. On the left hand side, click Bundles and jump into your bundle by clicking it. Inside here you'll find tabs along the top. This is the areas that you can change within the bundle. The first area is called Bundle Details. This is where you name the bundle, you give the bundle a subtitle, you find the bundle URL, which you can change by changing the URL in there and clicking Update. You'll also find the instructor. If you have multiple instructors within the course, you can add those in, and you can also delete instructors out. You can also make the bundle featured, so it can be used in the dynamic feature block. There is information about this. This bundle will appear in the featured course block. Note that you would need to publish the bundle for it to be listed. So the bundle needs to be published. At the moment, the bundle is not published. You can also make the bundle price hidden. This can be handy for if you're working on a bundle and you've published it, but you need the price hidden until you're ready to release. The next option we have is make bundle secret. So when you make a bundle secret, it will not appear in any of the dynamic blocks that come with the pages inside of Zenler. You can also set an enrollment limit. So limit the number of students enrollments to this bundle. This can be good if you're setting up cohorts of users coming through a bundle. You can allow automation or drip of contents in this bundle. If you enable this option, automation and drip inside each of the courses or content on this bundle will be enabled. If you do not check this box, then it will be ignored. You had this option as well when you set up the bundle. When you make any changes within this area, do remember to click Update. On the right hand side, we have the bundle card. So within here, you can upload your own course card for this bundle. You can also show a rating on the course card. So if you already have testimonials or reviews on this bundle, you can show those by clicking inside here. Let's now add a course card for this bundle. Let's click Change. Let's now select a new course card for our bundle and click Open. Let's now crop this to suit and click Crop and Save. As a little tip, course cards should be 1920 by 1080, so it's the correct ratio for most of the media elements inside of Zenler. Click Crop and Save. Now we have a new course card. Please note that you can also design your own course cards directly on Canva and import those directly into the system. You can also remove the course card. This is the Bundle Details tab inside of Bundles on Zenler.